everyone and welcome to today's video. So today I have quite a lot to get done. It's the morning here. These little things here are all of our skirting boards that's just sitting in this middle lounge area right now. So yeah, we have it all. We just got it and now it needs to get put in hopefully soon so that our edges around our house will look more finished than they currently do. So today, as you're gonna see, I've just got a lot of cleaning to do. I'm starting off here in the bedroom. My name is Kirsty. Welcome to everyone who's new. Welcome to everyone who's returning. It's wonderful to have you. So yeah, today I've got a lot of cleaning to get done. I look like I'm wearing my husband's t-shirt. That's because I am, and I'm wearing very baggy pants because I'm going to have a baby in less than 4 months, and this was all that was comfortable for today. So that's why I look like I currently look. Anyway, I'm feeling very motivated and I'm excited to get this house clean. So if you're looking for some cleaning motivation, I hope this is motivating, and let's keep going and get whatever done. Whatever you need to get done, let's get it done. I've kind of spoken about this before, but one way that helps me clean pretty easily is to just complete one room at a time. So you'll see I'm picking up some things and I'm going to kind of put it where it belongs, but I'm not really going to put it away. I'm just going to pop it in each room where it belongs, and when I get to those rooms I will then put it away properly. It just helps me to clean faster and to focus on one room at a time, which helps me to feel more accomplished, and I feel like it really does make me clean faster. are going away in about 2 weeks, for about 2 weeks to South Africa. I'm very excited. One of my brothers is getting married, so that's gonna be lots of fun. So I'm not sure how many videos I'm going to be getting up in the next month or so, but I will try to do some extra videos. We'll see how that goes. I hope you are getting some things done. If you're watching this morning, I hope you get some things done that you wanted to get done today. I did get all of this cleaning done in the morning, and honestly it took just a little bit of time, but it felt really good to get it all done, and then I could kind of just relax for the rest of the day. I mean, not really. Who really ever relaxes completely? Because you know that there's going to be more mess to be cleaned, but not as much and not as deep as I just cleaned this morning. So I hope you're getting something done. Let me know how your cleaning day is going. I would love to hear. I've picked up pretty much everywhere. I've also vacuumed all the floors and now just finishing mopping up all the floors. I've also got loads of washing to do. This whole laundry is full of washing, but I will get that done after I'm finished cleaning, because I'm waiting for all my cleaning cloths so I can get that all done together. I'm also just spraying down all of my bathrooms. We have 3 bathrooms, so I'm just spraying that down, spraying the toilets down, putting toilet cleaner in the toilets and letting that sit because it needs a good 10 minutes to kill all the germs. So I'm getting that done so long, and while that's getting the germs dead, I'm going to be picking up this bottom lounge area, which is quite a disaster because we actually just cleaned out the inside of the car as well. So that front area that you just saw all the jackets and things on the floor, that was from the car. That, yeah, the car was, let's just say, horrendous, but it's actually sorted out now, so I'm really excited about that. But my entryway became the catch zone, but I'm going to get that all picked up and it's going to be great. So this is the bottom bathroom, the third bathroom. I'm just getting this one sprayed down, ready to let that disinfectant sit while I go wipe the upstairs one so long. And yeah, then my bathrooms are complete as well. I also just use the magic eraser in the tubs and the showers just to get that nice and clean. It does a really excellent job, any soap scum, and getting it just clean and smelling really nice. Thank you so much for joining me today. I got so much done, all the bathrooms, really everything. I did all the floors, washing of the floors as well, and I hope you got a lot done today. Whatever you were planning to get done, I hope you got it done too. Thank you for joining me. Here's all my washing that's waiting for me to complete, but I do get it done. And thank you again for joining, and I will see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.